Hey guys, welcome to the tutorial today on completely randomized design, otherwise known as single factor experiments. Alright, so here we go with our first question. Suppose there are three experimental treatments are to be compared by a completely randomized design, and that each treatment is to be replicated 5 times. Allocate all 15 elements by treatments in units. So it says here that we have 3 treatments. So we said T equals 3. And it says we're going to replicate it 5 times. So it is R equal 5. Perfect. Now we need to get N. N is 15, but to work it out, to know how they got there, it was N equal TR. And that is N equals T, which is 3, times R, which is 5, which is equal to 15. Perfect. Now we're going to go to Excel. We need to create a random table. So we can say new workbook. Perfect. And we need to create our random table. To do this, we go to Insert, Function, and Rand Between. We need numbers between 0 and 100. So we're going to double click, and we're going to say 1, because this function includes, in the design of the algorithm, includes the number that you start with. So all we need to say is 1 and 99. That's the range we want. And we need double figures. And perfect. So here we go. We're going to drag this out to save a little time. Alright, that should be good. And drag this down. And that is your random table, guys. Your table will be different because it's a random table. But today, so that's as simple as that, guys. But I'm going to use a standard table today because I want you guys to get the full grasp of what we're doing. So I already did one and snipped it to make sure that it's consistent across pages so you guys can see what I'm doing. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so the question stated that we have 3 treatments, right? So we say T1, T2, and T3. And under this we have 5 replications. So it's A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. And A11, A12, A13, A14, and A15. So here we go. We have 3 applications and 5 treatments under each. This is what the question wants us to map out for them. So to do this, we simply go to our worksheet. I just created a blank one, but we create a new one. New workbook. And here we go. Let's begin. Our first 3, we need 3 tables to start off with. We're going to need a table for random numbers, random, and one for available, and one for rank. So that's all we need, guys. 3 columns. So our first random number is 21. We need 15 numbers, so we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm doing this a long way, guys, so you guys can see it. 11, 12, 12, 13, 14, 15. Perfect. That's all we need. And our random numbers over here are 21. The rule about random numbers is the first column. So you take the first column from the random table and you continue onwards. But you don't repeat. That's the key element. You do not repeat numbers in a random table. Alright, so we're going to say 70 and 94, 30, 27, 57, 88, 45, 46, 73, 50, and 34. Is there a 34? No. 34, 98, 30. We have a 33. Do we have one? No. 85 and 97. So this should be good. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can delete this one. Alright, you guys check to see to make sure there's no repeats. Alright, so it's a straight pattern, no repeats. Alright, now the basic thing we need to do is rank the numbers based on size of our random numbers. So the first one we'll go to, you see, which is from smallest up. So the first one we'll go, you should listen for the first smallest number, which is 21. So this is our first number, and we put in brackets, 21. Our second smallest number is 27. Our third smallest number is 30. And our fourth smallest number is 34. 34. And our fifth smallest, is anyone in 30 range? No. Is 45. Actually, 33 is smaller than 34, so this should be our fifth, and 33, I didn't see this one, is fourth at 33. So we currently have the basics of our treatment. So as I say, this is T1, and this is T2, and T3. So all you have to do, guys, is simply say 21. The second is 27. Third is 30. 30, and 33, and 34. And you guys just keep ranking them based on their ranks in these orders, in this order, and that will be it. That's all you need for them other treatments. So these are the persons or subjects that will be included in that treatment test. I hope you guys understood the video. If there are any questions below, it's that simple, guys. You can ask me anything. Thank you guys so much for making it Jab's tutorial.